The Golden Bird.
Each night, a golden bird stole the king's prized apples.
The king sent his sons to catch the thief. The eldest prince failed, for he slept beneath the stars. The second did no better. But the youngest stayed awake. He caught a single shining feather. But one feather was not enough. He wanted the whole bird. So the youngest set out to find the golden bird.
"Do not stop at the bright inn," said the fox. "Choose the humble one."
He followed the fox's advice and slept in peace.
At dawn, they reached the castle of the golden bird.
He was told to take the wooden cage, but the golden one gleamed too brightly.
And so he was caught.
Bring me the golden horse, and you shall go free.
His faithful friend guided him again. Again, his greed for gold betrayed him. There, he found a princess destined to be his true reward. At last, he returned home, rich in love and wisdom. And so, the golden bird sang of kindness, courage, and joy for